attendance.
We are 5th grade student council members.
Next week, our school will be celebrating Unity Day on Tuesday, October 15th.
The purpose of Unity Day is to show that we will stand up against bullying.
It is also a chance to remind us to show kindness,
acceptance, and inclusion.
Students will be learning about these in-classroom activities
to remind us that every step we take matters,
and to show that we are stronger linked together.
Make sure to wear orange next Tuesday so we can stand together united.
It doesn't have to be an orange t-shirt. You can wear anything orange.
Some fun examples are socks, a headband, or a bracelet.
Being a Hornet unites us all together.
Have a great weekend.